Just said to these people down there, more nong. Actually, wait a minute. Ning. They just looked at me when I said they did the same thing, and then I was like, yeah. That's the hooliganism shenanigans that I get up to. That's Mr. Mad Fox. Hooliganism. Hooliganism at its finest. Happy Christmas, everybody. Happy Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Let's do it. There's my bicyclette over there. Yum, yum. Beautiful bright head. Everybody, have a beautiful day. I wish you a joyful, happy, fun day, and with good health, because good health of body helps definitely this mind and emotion and spirit, for definite. So definitely always recommending raw vegan diet as much as possible, and harmony and balance in your life. So if it's too difficult, chill out a little bit about it and just get there slowly, but enjoy the journey and make it about today, not about the future. And just gratitude is probably the best thing you can ask for in life. Just feeling grateful, just thanking your blessings and thanking other people for the things that they do in your life, giving thanks and saying sorry. 2 secret doorways to the dungeon of joy. The waves of bliss pouncing at your feet, licking your toes like a dog. Reflexology, barefoot. But yeah, and nature is the way to go. Isn't that a beautiful picture there? I like that. Wish I could take a picture. Let's see if I can take a picture. Click. Click, click, click. So everybody, I'll leave you, I love you. And that's all I really want to say. Have fun. And don't forget to say thanks and sorry to your loved ones and people who you've triggered or you've been triggered with. Express praise and gratitude and give thanksgiving. Means the world. And getting out in nature and going for gentle or even intense exercise, if depending on your level, on your ability. Very important to get out there and breathe the fresh air. It's such a nice thing to be alive. So for today I want to say happy birthday to you, because it may as well be your birthday. Each day we're born again and new. It's your birthday, the day of birth. You're alive again, and that calls for celebration. And finally I just want to say even potentially happy Christmas, because I'm wearing a Christmas sock. And just for the fun of it, whatever your favourite celebration is of the year, think about that today and share and give love, and gratitude and thanksgiving and sorry and appreciation. It's very important to express remorse for any mistakes or wrongdoings you may have done towards people, be it through deliberate conscious choice or involuntary reactive. Hey, look at this madman.
Just arrived.
He's just, I don't know who he is,
okay.
But I won't joke with you. Stephen. Stephen Byrne, my friend. Stephen, beautiful Stephen.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning.
We're going to Glendalough walk this morning, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to go to Glendalough.
And I just tried to ambush this man this morning, he just couldn't.
For once I'm early. Usually I'm always 5 minutes late. But yeah, that's finished the video actually, Stephen. It's good.
Did you, yeah?
Yeah. So yeah, don't forget that. And if you do forget, I'm coming at you. So be careful of a ninja coming through your window. If you don't practice these nice things. Yeah. Okay. Say goodbye, Steve. Yeah.
Morning all. See you all.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Thanks. Lots of love.